welcome back to my channel. I just thought I would go over with you guys my favorite subscription box that I get every month. It's a Boxycharm box, so I get this every month. Pay a subscription. I believe it's $22 a month. If it's different, I'll link it below. But it's great, especially for people that are really busy and want to do something nice for themselves but don't have time, which I normally don't have time. And I like makeup, but I don't know where to start sometimes, and I like to just play around with it. So I thought this would be good for me to kind of get me some products to try and see how it goes. And so far so good. I've had it for about, I would say, about 6 months, and I haven't been disappointed yet. So I'm going to be continuing with it. But I thought I would just start doing these every month so you guys can kind of see what you get. There's been some really great months. I think it was December that I actually got a mini hair straightener, which was amazing. I love it. It's great for on the go. But let's just jump right into this. So when you open the box, this is what it looks like. So you've got the box, and then you've got your charmer stuff right here, and this is the information about all the products. So let's see what we've got. And then on the back, it gives you a breakdown of all the stuff and the prices, like the retail prices, so you can really see what kind of a value you're getting. The first product that I see is this. It is No Pore Blem Prime Essence in Touch and Soul. And like I said, I'm not a makeup guru, so I'm guessing this is just like a regular primer. And if you guys are wondering why I'm outside, I just got off of a 10-hour shift and I don't want to be inside anymore, so that's why I'm outside. So yeah, this looks like just like a regular primer. I don't know, which is great because I'm running out of the primer that I currently have. It's got a cool twist off applicator and it just comes out. Feels good. It doesn't feel super oily, which is good. I have kind of combination skin, so I really don't want my skin to feel too oily, but it feels good. So that was great, and this retails at $23. So this product right here is as much as the whole box, which is great. So this is $23. I'll go ahead and put this back. The next product that I have is by Dirty Little Secret, and this is a lip liner in pale pink is the color, and this one retails at $15. But it's smooth and creamy. This Dirty Little Secret lip liner is here to help you create the perfect pout. So let's see, I'm gonna open it, see if I can open it. Okay, this might be harder than it looks. Oh, here we go. Got it. Alright, so what the heck? Okay. So I'm gonna open it. It's a pencil, and I'm going to go right here so you guys can see. It's a pretty little line. Like I said, it's like a pale pink. Looks really pretty, but this is just a lip liner. So on to my next product. We have Dominique Cosmetics. See if it focuses. No? Okay. Add hydrating shine and fullness to your lip with the lightweight non-sticky balm like lemonade lip gloss by Dominique Cosmetics. The sheer gloss is long lasting and flexible, so you can wear it alone or layered over your favorite lipstick. So let's open it up. It says that it is in the color Peach Tea. I don't know if you guys can see that. Peach Tea, so we're gonna open this up. And it's really pretty. It's really pretty. So it says lemonade, just like a regular gloss. And it's really pretty. It's a really pretty summery color. I'm gonna try it on. It looks good. I like it. It's not really sticky, so I like that because I really don't like sticky lip glosses. They drive me crazy. Yeah, this is a win as well. And this one retails at $17. All right, so the next product that we have is Tarte High Performance Naturals. So this is an eyeshadow palette packed with 4 shimmer shades and 4 matte. Your new Tarte BU Naturally palette is everything you need to create endless natural looks. From the frosty cool pinks to the rich bronze and brown tones, this palette will flatter all skin tones while blending smoothly thanks to its Amazonian clay formula. And this retails at $36. So that's a huge value, huge value. So let's open this up. So it is this really pretty case. And then you open it up and it's got this plastic on there. Let's take that off. That's really pretty. Really. And then last but not least, this is the one that I'm like the most concerned about because it's something I'm excited about. I'm the most excited about it, but I'm also the most scared about it because I've never done it before. But this first time for everything. So this is Saint Tropez, I'm probably butchering that, sorry, Self Tan Classic. It's a self tanner. So I'm pretty, it's a bronzing mousse, natural looking tan. But it comes in this bottle. It's like a mousse applicator. And then it also comes with a tan applicator mitt. So you put this on and rub it all over you. The one thing I know from watching some videos is that you have to exfoliate your skin before you do this. So I'm gonna have to try that. I'll let you guys know how it goes. But I'm really excited about it because I've always wanted to use a self tanner. I'm a little scared because I don't want to look orange. I don't want to look awful. But I do like to look like I have a tan. I live in Florida, so when I'm super white, it's kind of embarrassing because I live in the Sunshine State and I'm pale. So, but I'll let you guys, I'll update you guys and let you know how this goes. But I'm pretty excited about it. So that is my box. Like I said, this is about $22 a month. And it's worth it. Especially if you don't like I don't like to spend money on myself, but at the same time, I like to treat myself. So it's just $22 a month. It's not super, you know, a lot of money. It's not a huge dent. But you feel good when you get it every month and to try out the new products. And it's once a month, so it comes quite frequently. I feel like by the time I forget about the first one and I've kind of like used all the products, I'm getting another box. So it's really worth it. So I highly recommend it. But that is it for today, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and I will see you on the next one. Bye.